4-min Japanese jawline lift? Everyone knows a beautiful face has a sharp, defined jawline, but is the only way to get it by filling, lifting, or surgery. What if there was another way, a natural, ancient method that Japanese women have trusted for generations to keep their faces firm, smooth, and youthful? No needles, no downtime, no pain. Today, you'll discover 4 ancient Japanese face yoga techniques that can tighten your skin, lift sagging cheeks, and bring out your jawline naturally in as little as 2 weeks. Simple moves, powerful results, and all you need is your own hands and a few quiet minutes a day. Exercise 1. Jawline Sculpting Massage. Before we begin, let's warm up. Gently roll your shoulders back, loosen your neck, and take a few slow breaths. Turn your head side to side, then tilt it slightly forward and back to wake up the muscles around your neck and jaw. This quick warm-up helps increase blood flow and prepares your skin and muscles for the sculpting work ahead. Now we'll move into the first technique, the jawline sculpting massage. This is one of the classic face yoga methods used for generations by Japanese women to maintain a strong, youthful contour along the jaw. It works by stimulating the masseter, your chewing muscle, and the platysma, the thin layer that covers the neck and jaw. When these muscles are activated and circulation improves, the skin appears tighter, and fluid buildup that softens the jawline begins to drain away. Here's how to do it. Lightly curl your fingers into a loose fist. Use the knuckles of your index and middle fingers to trace along your lower jawbone. Start from the center of your chin and glide outward, following the line beneath your jaw all the way up to just below your ear. Apply steady, moderate pressure firm enough to feel the muscle underneath, but never harsh or painful. Move slowly, keeping contact with the skin, and continue the motion for 1 full minute on each side. You can add a drop of facial oil or moisturizer if your skin feels dry. This allows smoother movement and prevents pulling. Scientific studies on facial massage show that regular mechanical stimulation increases local circulation, supports lymphatic drainage, and boosts skin elasticity by encouraging collagen activity. That's why this simple, ancient practice can lead to a visibly sharper, more lifted jawline in just a few weeks of consistent work. Exercise 2. Facelifting Massage. Next, we'll focus on lifting the cheeks and tightening the overall face contour. This movement comes from traditional Japanese face yoga routines designed to keep the skin firm and the cheeks naturally lifted, the foundation of that youthful V-line shape. Here's how to do it. Relax your shoulders and sit upright. Place the soft part of your palms or the pads of your fingers on your cheeks, right next to the corners of your mouth. Now, glide your hands upward and outward diagonally, following a line from the corners of your mouth and sides of your nose up toward your temples and hairline. Use gentle but decisive strokes. The motion should feel smooth and lifting, never rough or pulling. Continue this motion for about 1 minute on each side. You can apply a small amount of face oil or moisturizer to reduce friction and let your hands move easily across the skin. This exercise activates the zygomatic muscles, the ones responsible for smiling and cheek elevation. When strengthened and regularly stimulated, these muscles help lift the mid-face, improve blood circulation, and enhance lymphatic drainage. As a result, the face looks more defined, the jawline appears slimmer, and the cheeks regain their natural firmness. It's one of the simplest yet most effective ways to bring life back to your facial muscles and restore that youthful glow. No tools, no tension, just your own touch and 1 minute of mindful movement. Exercise 3. Under chin lift for a sharper jawline. Now let's target one of the most stubborn areas, the soft skin and fat right under the chin. This next move, known as the under chin lift, helps tone and strengthen the muscles that support your lower face and neck. It's a proven technique used in facial rehabilitation and face yoga therapy to activate the platysma and digastric muscles, the key players that shape your jawline and control how firm the front of your neck looks. Here's how to do it. Sit or stand tall with your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, tilt your head gently back, keeping your mouth closed but relaxed. Now push your lower jaw forward and slightly upward, as if you're trying to touch the ceiling with your chin. You'll feel a firm stretch along the front of your neck and under the jawline. Hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds, breathing slowly. Then release and return to a neutral position. Repeat for about 1 minute total. This controlled movement strengthens the front neck muscles that often become weak from years of looking down at phones or computers. When done consistently, it helps reduce fluid buildup under the chin, improves posture, and defines the natural curve of your jawline. Scientific studies on targeted neck and facial exercises show measurable increases in muscle thickness and elasticity after several weeks of daily practice. That means the more you train these muscles, the firmer and tighter your lower face will look naturally. So don't rush it. A few minutes a day. Every day is all it takes to remind your face how to hold itself high, again strong, sculpted, and confident. Exercise 4. Side-to-side mouth movement. For our final move, we'll work deep inside the muscles that shape your mouth, cheeks, and lower jaw. It's called the side-to-side mouth movement, and it's one of the simplest yet most effective ways to strengthen the muscles that define your jawline. This movement activates the masseter, the main jaw muscle, and the buccinator muscles inside your cheeks, the same ones that control chewing and facial balance. When these muscles are toned, they act like a natural frame that keeps your lower face tight and sculpted. Weakness here is one of the hidden causes of sagging around the mouth and a softer jaw contour. Here's how to do it. Sit up straight with your lips closed and relaxed. Now slowly move your lower jaw and mouth from one side to the other, as if you're trying to stretch your chin toward your shoulder, but without turning your head. You should feel the muscles along your jawline tighten as you move. Go slow and controlled, left to right, then right to left. Do this continuous side-to-side motion for 1 full minute. If you'd like, place your fingers lightly on your jawline. You'll feel those deep muscles working with each movement. According to muscle activation studies on facial toning, controlled lateral jaw movements improve circulation, stimulate collagen, and strengthen the underlying support tissues that shape the face. With regular practice, this exercise helps smooth the skin around your mouth and makes the jawline appear sharper and more lifted. It might look simple, but it's a powerful finisher 1 minute a day to train the very muscles that give your face definition and balance. To keep your jawline sharp and defined, remember that small daily habits matter just as much as exercise. Avoid overeating or indulging in too much sugar and processed food, since excess calories and water retention can soften your facial contours. Keep good posture throughout the day. Don't constantly look down at your phone or hunch over your computer, because that forward head position weakens the muscles under your chin and gradually blurs your jawline. Stay hydrated, sleep well, and hold your head high with your tongue resting gently on the roof of your mouth. These simple habits, practiced consistently, protect the results of your face yoga and help your natural jawline stay firm and visible. And remember, real change doesn't happen overnight, but it does happen when you stay consistent. Just a few minutes a day can completely transform how your face looks and feels. If you found these ancient Japanese face yoga exercises helpful, share this video with someone who wants to lift, tone, and feel confident again. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new routine to keep your face strong, youthful, and full of life. Your best results are still ahead, and we'll get there together.